12 Fun Facts about India. India has 23 official languages, including Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali and Punjabi to name a few. However, there are a further 19,500 known languages and dialects across the country. Although Hindi is the primary language of India, the country is also the second largest English-speaking country in the world, with roughly 125 million Indians speaking it fluently. The national animal is the Bengali tiger. India is home to the wettest inhabited place on Earth, Mawsynram, in northeastern India. India is home to multiple major religions. Hinduism, Buddhism, and Sikhism were all started in India. Although India is primarily a Hindu nation, there are 300,000 mosques across the country, the most mosques of any nation on the planet. India is the most vegetarian nation on the planet, with over 30% of the population not eating any animals. Around 70% of the world's spices come from India. The Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world, standing at 240 meters. The statue was made in honor of Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a leading role in the country's struggle for independence against the UK. The Golden Temple of Amritsar feeds up to 100,000 people per day, for free. The Kumbh Mela is the world's largest festival. This Hindu festival is celebrated every 12 years across India by millions of people. Bollywood, India's film industry, produces more movies than any other film industry, including Hollywood.